Hi, welcome to Informatica videos. In this video, I will give a brief overview of IICS architecture and conclude by describing a simple data integration use case. The agenda for today's presentation would be the IICS overview, followed by the architecture review and the cloud data integration use case. Coming to the IICS overview, Informatica Intelligent Cloud Services, which is the IICS, is a cloud-based data integration platform that provides various features such as enterprise data integration, application integration, and various other data management modules. Informatica Cloud enables business users to create integrations via easy-to-use tools. This makes it easy to create integrations and get faster results. The primary integration use case include data migration, data synchronization, data replication, data validation, and monitoring. One can perform these integrations between an on-premise data storage system residing within an organization's firewall and various available cloud-based ecosystems using the available native and CCI-based connectors in IICS. Let's now quickly touch base upon the IICS architecture, assuming that you already have an IICS org, configured a secure agent, and have connections configured on the org. When an action is performed on the IICS org, for example, you create a task, a user, schedules, etc., the object metadata gets stored on the IICS repository. We then have the secure agent, which is a lightweight application which takes care of the connectivity, triggering of the tasks, and data movement from source and target system. Data is never traversed via the cloud server. The movement happens directly from source to the target system via your network's firewall. The secure agent also opens up an HTTPS tunnel with the cloud server, listening to requests to trigger jobs and so on. For example, when a user runs a job from the IICS org, the secure agent connects with the IICS server, downloads the task metadata, spawns a process on the Windows or Linux server, which is called the PMDTM process, and then processes the data before it reports back the statistics to the IICS server. Once the task statistics are updated, this is when the job status would reflect in the activity monitor section of your IICS org. In this slide, I will cover a simple use case which would give us an idea on the capability of cloud data integration. Consider that a front desk of a hotel takes reservation across its various destinations. The booking gets lodged in a cloud-based CRM, say Salesforce. Any booking or record entered into the Salesforce system should be immediately reflecting into the local database system of the hotel located in the specific country. CDI workflow or mappings can be designed to extract data only for the specific country using a filter transformation and then load it into the specific database system so that the hotel reception can access it. One can also design mappings to update the data back from the local database system into Salesforce. Transformation can also be added into the mappings as per business use case. Say you want to do a currency conversion, masking sensitive customer data, or even adding some expressions to transform the data as needed. One can also schedule these workflows as per business use case. This pretty much covers the brief on the IICS architecture. Here are a couple of our knowledge base links which would give an overview and more details on the IICS platform architecture and the security architecture. Hope this video was informative and helpful. If you have more questions, please reach out to us at supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us at infasupport. Thank you for watching. You have a good day ahead.